guys our first look at some wildlife. A buffalo. Scout's not impressed. Hi guys. They don't seem impressed. Carrying on. Good morning. It's day 4 on our trip. I forgot to film anything this morning really. There might be a couple road shots, but we left fairly early this morning. We left Watson Lake around 6:45 a.m. which is like, whoa. But it's a really long day today. We're aiming to make it down to Fort St. John, so it might end up being an 11-hour day or so. We'll just see what happens. The next kind of main stop is going to be Fort Nelson, but we just stopped in Toad River. I don't know if you can see that behind me. Toad River Lodge. And inside it was actually kind of cool. They had have loads and loads of baseball caps on the ceiling. I don't know how many. It's a lot though. So we just grabbed a couple beverages, had a little pee break, and now we're off. Elk. Hello, elk. Just chilling out. Cool, cool. Carry on. We made it to Fort Nelson, and now we're having a subway stop. Actually, we made pretty good time, I think, to get here. And we just gassed up the car, got some food we're gonna eat, and then hit the road again because we want to get into Fort St. John before it starts to get dark. How you doing, Poochie? Aww. Time to go. Come on. Back in the car. Let's go. So, Trevor and I like to pretend we're sporty. Well, he's pretty sporty. I used to be. Trying to get better. So we're going for a run with Scout, and it's pretty comical because all he does is want to jump and like tuck his face in the snow like that. He's really slowing us down. What the heck, bud? You're supposed to be a husky. Scout, come here. Oh. No monkey jumping on the bed. You being a monkey? Hi, you're so cute. We ordered Montana's. I've got a burger. I got a salad with some chicken, potato skins, and mini donuts. Scout's jealous. Trevor, we got some breakfast here at White Spot, and we're joined by a special guest. Yay! We stopped in Dawson Creek on the way to Edmonton to see Nathan. Oh, where are you sleeping, bud? This is his Uncle Nathan. He's like, oh, but wait, there's garbage. Oh, big stretches. Big stretches.
Now, Pete.
Oh, I'll take that butt scratch.
He's so handsome.
He is handsome. So we just finished having breakfast with Nathan, and we passed a Pet Value store, which for some reason we had a hard time finding again. And we decided to take Scout to it. So here we go. This is Scout's first shopping trip. This is literally like a kid in a candy store. Come on, bud. We'll find you a little treat. Not in there though. Come on. Yeah? You like that one? Scout will be entertained for hours now. Oh, such a hard life, bud. Oh, goodness. That was a bump, wasn't it? Have a nap. Taking Scout to an off-leash dog park. I've never gone before, so hopefully. And he's quickly made friends. trying to decide who he likes. So many. That took me out. Sky has a friend over there. They're just chasing each other. So we just came to an off-leash dog park in Lloydminster. This is where we're stopping for the night. And oh, Scout's getting humped again. He doesn't like it. Yeah, and it's actually going really well. I'm pretty impressed. He's playing well with others, stealing people's toys, but whatever. Trevor's excited. Scout is excited. I'm also excited. This is how my dog sleeps. Scout's getting his nails done. He's not a huge fan of this though, so he's a little bit mad. We'll see how it goes. I'd like to say you did a good job, but I don't know.
What a good boy!
What a good boy! You made it. You're alive.
We actually have an event
make it?
too.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Oh, Jesus. Moms.
Oh, do you guys remember each other?
Hey, Dad, who's this? Is that your brother? Who's that big dog? Is that your sister? Your brother?
Hi. Oh, hi.
Down.
Hi. Good. Sorry, I'm just filming this nonsense. There.
It's alright. They play rough with all.
Hi.
Get down.
We gotta step. It's huge. Oh, you stole some toys again.
Hi, you got a boy.
I just threw
Hi.
that for you. Stay down.
Who's that? Is that your brother?